back to the channel. So in today's video, we're going to start cleaning the crankshaft. So what we're going to be using is just some brake cleaner here, and we're going to need a nozzle because this one comes with a different nozzle. So we need a nozzle like this so that we could put a tubing on it like these, and then we'll get into each one of these portholes here and just flush it out with brake cleaner until it's clean. So that's what we're going to do. So we're going to be using quite a bit of brake cleaner for this. I don't want to be cleaning this in the parts cleaner because it'll start rusting. So it's best to use like brake cleaner or something to clean it. After we're done that, we're just going to lube it up with some oil, and then we're going to keep it covered like this until it's ready for reassembly. Alright guys, so here's my station here all set up to start cleaning this thing. So what we're going to do is just take this and just spray it in there and just clean everything out with brake cleaner. I've set up the station so that I catch most of the brake cleaner, and then I can just empty it as soon as it gets full kind of thing. So let's get started. As you can see, it's already kind of flushing out this way because I plugged up one of the holes here, and then I start spraying into here. And you can see that it's already kind of flushing it out. So we want to keep flushing it until it's super clean like that. Look at all that gunk. Alright, let me bring you guys up close a little bit. As you can see, it's starting to flush out all that crap coming out of the portholes there. So we're going to continue doing this until everything is flushed out clean, and then we're just going to relube everything with oil. Alright guys, here's the crankshaft all nice and cleaned. I just have to lube it up with some oil, and then we should be good. All the ports here have already been cleared out. Essentially what happens is stuff gets caught in between this plug here and this port. So we just got to clear all those out all along the whole thing. And a lot of that black stuff came out. So I think we're pretty clean now. So just going to lube this up and we're good to go. So just to give you an idea of like the black stuff, I try to wipe up as much of it as I can, and it just smeared everywhere. It's just basically pieces of oil and grease that has been clogged in there for a very long time. Alright guys, the crankshaft is all clean now, and I also re-lubed it up with some new oil, so we are really close to actually reassembling the motor now. Anyways guys, I hope this video helps you guys out. If you haven't already, please comment, like, and subscribe, and share my videos. As always guys, I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.